Right, now we are going to do this factorizing. So first I will take the first question. Now we know how do we do these type of things. My first one is x squared plus 7x plus 10. If you can't remember the method, remember this is how we are doing. The first step is you multiply these two, the power term and the number. So when you multiply 10 times x squared, you are getting 10x squared. That 10x squared, now your next step is this 10x squared, you divide into two parts. When you multiply, you should get 10x squared. And when you add or subtract, you have to get this middle number. Middle number means the 7x. So therefore, I'm taking sum of the factor pairs of 10. That is how we are doing. So sum of the factor pairs of 10, I can take 10 times 1 and 5 times 2. So by looking even, I can identify if I use 5 times 2, I can get this correctly. So therefore, I'm selecting the correct factor pair, 5 times 2, and I'm writing 5x and 2x. So when I add 5x plus 2x, I'm getting 7x. When I multiply 5x into 2x, I'm getting 10x squared, right? Now I'm writing this again, x squared. Without writing this 7x, I'm writing these two parts. That means plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Now I'm going to get the common terms. So when I'm going to get the common terms, I'm taking the first two terms and get the common term. And then I'll get the next two terms and get the common term. In the first two, x is common. Then when I take x out, I can get x plus 5. Then I'm taking the common terms in the next two. 2 is common, so I'll take plus 2. Then inside the bracket, I'm getting x plus 5 because 2 times 5 only, I'll get 10. Now I can see again x plus 5. That is common. So therefore, I'll write x plus 5 in one bracket. Then I'll combine these two. X plus 2 in the other bracket. So that is how we find. Then you will get your answer. X plus 5 in one bracket and x plus 2 in another bracket. So I'll do another one, right? I'll do this 15th question. See, because why I have selected this 15th one, there you have the negative. When you have the negative, you have to be very careful. Look how the way I'm writing. So first I'll get my example. It's x squared minus 6x plus 8. So similar way, what I have to do, I have to multiply. So 8 times x squared, it's 8x squared. Now what are my factor pairs I can take when I take 8? 8 times 1 or 4 times 2. Now I want to get 6. 4 plus 2, yes, I'm getting 6. So therefore, I'm taking 4x and 2x. Now, when I multiply 4x into 2x, I'm getting 8. But I do not get, when I add 4x plus 2x, I'm not getting minus 6x. I'm getting positive 6x. So then I have to change the sign. Then it should be minus 4x minus 2x. Minus 4x plus minus 2x. Yes, I'm getting minus 6x. And minus 4x into minus 2x. Yes, I'm getting plus 8x squared. Because we know minus into minus, it will become positive. Now the same rule. Apply as the same way. So I'm writing x squared. Instead of this minus 6x, I'm writing minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Now in the first two, x is common, so I'll take x. Then inside I'm getting x minus 4. Then the other one I'm taking minus 2 out. Then again inside I'll get x minus 4 because 2 times 4 and you are getting 8. Now I can take my common ones as x minus 4 in one bracket and x minus 2 in another bracket. So this is how we are doing this type of factorizing. So